Let's fix this hair. I have somewhere to be in 20 minutes, so I need to look more put together. This is day 3 curly hair. I have product in it already, and what I like to do is just section off, not too small of sections, but I don't like for them to be too big because then you just don't get all the hairs that you want to get. Let me actually lift you guys up. I'm brushing this out. So this is the crimper that I got, and I like to go pretty close to the root. And honestly, I don't know how to measure out the distance between one wave and the other at all. So I'm kind of just estimating, and then I just leave the ends to curl as they normally would. And that is 1. So I feel like it's just a looser version of the curls that I already have. Pretty much. And as I'm going through, I like to take my hairspray and just spritz a little, just so it can maintain its wave. This hairstyle is my go-to hairstyle whenever I don't want to straighten my hair or apply too much heat, but I want to really look like I put some effort in without having to put too much effort in, especially after 3-day hair. When I tell you guys, for my curly hair, I hate having to wash it like every other day because I hate tying my hair up. In order for me to be able to wear it out, I either have to, of course, wash my hair, or I have to re-wet it and restyle it and then diffuse it, and I just don't have the time or the patience for that. So this is my alternative, and I actually really like it because you're not applying too much heat to your head. Oh my god, that's another thing. I bought heat protectant just for this. Get heat protectant for this, you guys. This is the heat protectant that I like to use all the time. It's worked so well for me over the years. This is what I am going with. For me, I do think that it is important to just spray the hairspray as I go. Now, the thing that I really love about doing this hairstyle, especially on my curly hair instead of straightening it, of course, if you wanted to like lay sleeker on your head, like the hair, then do it with straight hair. But I find that when I do it with my curly hair, it holds the curl more. That's another thing that I actually wanted to talk about. I do this hairstyle either when my hair is freshly dried or after maybe like day 2, day 3 curls. I've done this on hair with no product, and I've done this on hair with product. And what I found is that the times that I do this when my hair has no product in it, it doesn't hold the wave as long as I would like it to. When I do have product in my hair, like all of my curly hair products, then it holds the wave for the entire day and sometimes even into the next day. So I use my hairstyling gel, my curl enhancing cream, I have oil in my hair, I have all of those things just for when I do my wash and go. And then when I finally get to this, then I have a ton of product in my hair right now just from washing my hair a few days ago. But for me, it has held up much nicer throughout the day. I'm getting as close as I can to my roots because it kind of smooths the roots out. I have, since I straighten my hair so much, the bottom of my hair, like the ends end up being like wavier or looser than my roots. My roots are really tightly curled, so I like to get as close to the root as I possibly can so that I don't have like these really tight curls at the top and then just wavy beach waves towards the bottom. And I love this because it does not have to be perfect at all. The downside for me specifically, because I am just a clumsy person, I keep burning myself with this huge beach waver. I don't even think that's what this thing is called, but I keep burning myself because this thing is huge. This was definitely one of my go-to hairstyles during the summertime. This is perfect for summer, but I feel like even though today's pretty warm outside, it works because my hair was looking so crazy after having a curly for today's day 3, I think I said. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I have to leave in like 2 seconds. I'm gonna go get my nails done. And she is a busy woman, so I cannot be late to her nail salon. The back, it's literally the same exact thing, although I can't see. I'm literally just feeling it out. I know I look crazy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Then I kind of just bring it to the front. Parted my hair down the center. I'm just doing my front pieces. And I clearly missed some hair. Last time I was late to my nail appointment, she yelled at me. And I don't mind that it's not perfect. I feel like to me, it just makes it look more natural. So this is what we have right now. Now what I'm gonna do is just put my shoes on and everything, and then I'm going to kind of like let it sit with the hairspray, and then I will show you guys what I do afterwards. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it, just so that it can look a little bit more natural, and then add some more hairspray. The point of this is not to have it look perfect, but to have it look natural. And that is it. I am off to my nail appointment.